Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/64 scale Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Black Series from Tarmac Works. It's a CLDC exclusive model. The illustrations of the car on the box look really nice. So let's check out the car now. The car comes in this blister packaging, and they have also included a carbon fiber decal for the bonnet, but I don't think I'll be using it as I like the look of the car as it is now. The car looks really stunning in this red color. The front of the car looks nice, and the headlights have enough detailing on them, and the Mercedes logo on top of the bumper is a decal. The AMG license plate also looks nice. Moving on to the side, the wheels look nice, and there is the Mercedes logo at the center, which is a decal, and they can roll freely. There are no brake discs or calipers behind the wheel like on all Global 64 models. Now coming to the back, the tail lamps are really well detailed, and all the logos here are decals but still look good. The exhaust tips are finished in chrome, and the rear wing is gloss black rather than carbon fiber. The fuel door is also really well detailed. The vents on the bonnet are done well. Now moving on to the interior of the car, it is very hard to see inside, but the dashboard and the steering wheel have enough detailing on them. You can see a few buttons on the center console. This is how the dashboard looks like from the front. There is nothing much to see through the rear windshield, and you can see the third brake light above it. You can see the dashboard more clearly from the passenger side. The seats are not well detailed, and they look like regular bucket seats, and the windshield wipers are not separate and are molded in with the windshield. The rearview mirrors have silver paint on them and look really nice, and you can also see the IRVM from here. The undercarriage of the car has enough detailing on it and looks nice, and is completely finished in black. The tires, as you can see, are smooth and do not have any tread pattern on them. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you later.